Hello student, how are you? It's more than a month we have been away from our loving institute because of disaster caused by COVID-19. I hope you are stay in your home and your study and continue your study regularly. We will surely overcome this situation very soon. Today I will discuss with you uh, chapter 4. Chapter 4 is related exponents and logarithms. Do you know, and it is important for your public examination or school examinations. Do you know what is the definition of exponents? Exponent of a number says how many times to use that numbers in multiplication. It is written as a small number to the right and above the base number, such that a to the power n. Here a is a base and n is a power. So we can say base, including base and power, it will be an exponents, such like 2 square. How many times 2 multiplication itself? 2 into 2, it will be 4. Now I will discuss with you index law. In this chapter have some importance formula such that a to the power 0, a to the power 0 equal 1. When you see any expression's power will be 0, then result will be 1. Such like 2 to the power 0 equal 1, a by b whole to the power 0 equal 1, 5 to the power 0 equal 1. Now you can see when power will be 0, result will be 1. It is one kind of formula. Second formula, a to the power m into a to the power n. You can see the base are same. When base are same and it is form of multiplication, then power will be added, such like a to the power m plus n. An example, 5 to the power 5 cube into 5 square, result will be 5 to the power 7. Okay, again 2 cube into 2, result will be 2 to the power 4. Another formula, a to the power m by a to the power n. You can see base are same but form is like is divided. When you see it is divided from, then power will be minus, a to the power m minus n. Like example, 2 to the power 5 by 2 cube, then you can write 2 to the power 5 minus 3, result will be 2 square, it will be 4. You can see base, this base are same, it is form of divided, then power will be minus. Okay, another formula, a b whole to the power n. It will be a to the power n and b to the power n. Like example, ab whole square, it will be a square b square. 2 into 3 whole square, it will be 2 square into 3 square, result will be 4 into 9, 36. Another formula, a by b whole to the power n. It will be a to the power n by b to the power n. Like example, we can write p by q whole cube. It will be p cube by q cube. Another example, 2 by 3 whole square. It will be 2 square by 3 square. Result will be 4 by 9. Okay. Another formula, it is important for you, a to the power m whole to the power n. This application is important. A to the power mn, you can see power and power will be multiplications. Like an example, we can a square whole cube. It will be 2 into 3. Power and power will be multiplication. Then it will be 6. This formula we can write another form, a to the power n whole to the power m equal to a to the power mn. Result will be same but formula is different, so it is important for you. Example, a cube whole square a to the power 6. So, and you can see another from it will this term, a square whole cube equal a to the power 6. Okay. Another formula, root over n equal, we can write it a to the power 1 by n. Like example, root cube a, we can write a to the power 1 by 3. Root cube, we can write a to the power 1 by 5. Root cube 2, it will be right 1 by 2 to the power 1 by 3. Okay. When you say this term, it will be a to the power 2 by n. Like example, a square, you can write it a to the power 2 by 5. Another formula, a to the power x equal a to the power y. Then you can write x equal y. When you say base are, both side base are same, then power will be equal. Like example, to the power x equal 2 to the power y, then you can write it x equal y. Another formula, a to the power x equal b to the power x, then you can write it a equal b. You can see when base are same, power will be equal, and this formula you can see when power will be same, then base are equal. So we can